Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I got this really weird idea to like move some of Leilani's furniture around in her room. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm gonna be speeding it up for you guys just so that it's a little bit easier to watch. I hope you guys are doing really well. I've been hanging in there. I am 31 weeks pregnant right now, and I still feel like a little bit tired. I have been trying to not shake this so much. I have been trying to take my iron pills and just drinking like smoothies that have a lot of iron. So that's been helping me a lot. So I know you guys have been wondering how I've been doing, so I wanted to update you guys. The doctor is having me work less hours. I still work, I mean, I'm still going to work, but I'm working less, which is nice because my body gets to like sleep in, or I get to come home early. So it is really nice, especially because especially towards the end of the pregnancy, it's like really hard to do things like bend down and all of that. And it's just nice to be able to just work less because I was getting really tired, and there would be some days where I'd be like, I'm not going to make it. Like, there's no way I'm going to make it today. But I kept pushing, and I, obviously talking to your doctor, making sure that they know what's going on with you, because if you don't tell them, they aren't gonna know. I also need to find my I have a situation where I lost the charger to this camera, and then for like my bigger camera, this one here, this is what happened to the SD card. Can you guys see how bent this is? It's like, I don't know how this happened. So I need to go get a new card, SD card. Lately, I've just been filming on my phone because I don't know what else to do. So yeah, charger went missing, SD card broke in half, and then the SD that I have for this one won't work on the bigger one because it says it like is out of memory space and all of that, so it's a bummer. Let's go ahead and begin with rearranging the furniture in Leilani's room. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know how you've been doing in the comments down below. Welcome to Leilani's room. So we're gonna move this bed this way, and I mean, I'm going to try. I don't know that I'm going to be successful, but I'm going to try to move it. Okay, and I also wanted to address something because I know I get asked this question a lot, like, where is Cisco? Why isn't Cisco helping you or whatever? Cisco's working, and he works really long shifts. He works literally like all day, and I would have to say that I'm like a type A personality where I have to have things a certain way, or I get like these random ideas to move furniture around. So I think we just need to remember, like, we need to balance each other out. And I try to, thank you, mommy. He's not as good as cleaning and organizing as I am, but he's really good at like helping us in the garage or maybe outdoors. So I just want to make sure like I mention that, because he does a lot for us. I mean, working all day in itself, I mean, that is a lot of work. And yes, you know, I do work as well, but like, it's just, we have different strengths and weaknesses, and we just offset each other like really nicely. And I encourage you all to think of it that way, because maybe you're in a similar situation where your husband or your partner or whatever doesn't really do anything in the house, which is not a bad thing as long as he's helping you maybe in other ways. I don't know, maybe he likes to work outside and, you know, do some yard work and all of that. That's not something I'm good at. I'm not really good at yard work and all of that. So I did want to bring that up because I know I get questions all the time, like, where is Cisco? Why isn't he helping you? And all of that. This is the finished look at the room. I'm really happy with it. I think it looks really pretty. Leilani helped us a lot. So I put her little kitchen over here, a little rug right there. Her TV's still there. Those shelves are still there. And then this is her bed. Put her unicorn, her little blanket, the mermaid comforter with all her little mermaid pillows. And then over here is her little nightstand. And yeah, but we need to put the new baby there, right? And then this is her dresser, and I just like how it looks over here better. I think it's a lot cuter on this side. You guys have seen in the dresser already. If you haven't, I'll link a video down below, but we've, are preparing for the baby. That's a little trash can. This is a little DIY project that I did. I basically spray painted this. You can see down there. But she keeps like her toys in here. And then a little table for her. Her bows, pictures, and it just looks so much neater than it did earlier. Earlier, it was like a complete disaster, so I'm really, really happy with it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.